Look up, look up. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Thank you for all your support. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate your support. I appreciate all your comments. So thank you for taking the time out to watch my channel, like my video, and share my video. Don't feel left out, because I appreciate all you guys for everything you done, all your support. So keep watching my channel, keep coming back, and I will always provide more video for you guys. You may never know what you may see. So just watch my channel and keep enjoy my video. More love, good positive blessing, always. And remember, no matter what you are going through, you are very important. So always love yourself and everything will be alright. Be yourself, and no matter what, you only can please you before you can please anyone. So love always everyone, and thank you for enjoying my video. I'm out.